We're now in the fields and forests outside my neighborhood. I came here to try out a wide-angle adapter lens that I got for my Panasonic HC-X900 camcorder. This camcorder does have a relatively wide lens built in, which did cause some problems that I'm going to describe a bit later in this video. The wide-angle adapter lens that I got is the Digital King Japan brand 0.7x Pro HD wide-angle lens for DSLR. Right now we have just this static shot of the seat for a hunter to look out from. The wide-angle lens adapter has been installed, and as you can see, we have a significantly wider shot. And it does look really good on this camcorder screen. I can't see any issues on here. I now want to make a test of just slowly panning around. The wide-angle adapter has been removed again, so we can make another comparison. And this is the reason why I came out here into the fields and forests, because it does provide a really nice scenery. The wide-angle adapter lens is now reinstalled on the camcorder. We do get a much wider shot. The camera is on all automatic settings. I don't remember if I already set that. And it all seems to look really good. I now have the camcorder with wide-angle adapter lens detached from the tripod, and I'm walking towards this hunter's seat. And this is to prove that the wide-angle adapter lens does harmonize with the active image stabilization of this camcorder. That was a problem with another adapter lens that I got previously. And it all seems to look good. And the image stabilization does work. This lens adapter cost me €60, which is only a quarter of what the genuine Panasonic accessory would cost. However, you can tell, if I zoom in onto my tripod here, you can see on the edges there are definitely some issues, some optical issues. I just checked the footage I just recorded, and it looks like you can definitely not use the optical zoom in combination with this wide-angle lens adapter. As I zoom in on this high contrast situation, you can see this is absolutely terrible. So that is the limitation of this relatively inexpensive wide-angle adapter. The macro does seem to work, The pine cone is only about 3 centimeters away from the front of the wide-angle adapter lens. Here is the Panasonic HC-X900 with the wide-angle lens adapter attached to it. And this is quite a big construction, as you can see. I'm having to use a 49 to 58 millimeter step-up ring to mount this lens. The problem is that usual 49 millimeter wide-angle adapter lenses don't work with this camcorder because the built-in lens is so wide itself. You'll end up with the corners of the image being cut off. They're just black. And it gets even worse when you have the image stabilization turned on. In the extreme cases, up to a third of the image will be just covered up, will be just black. And this problem can be solved by using a 58 millimeter wide-angle adapter lens. Thank you for watching.